welcome to a brand new episode of You Gotta Collect Call From. And who are we going to have here today? Activate the source. Hey, Haley, thank you. Highly appreciate the hearts. The corazones. Ah, there they go, man. They never fail. These damn people. I ain't trying to go. Oh, no. So we got that. Got the chat. I think we're ready. I think we are ready to roll. What do you guys think? Can I get a... Damn, James. That rooster's loud, if you will. Hey, what's up, Rosie? How you been? Haven't seen you in a while. And welcome. Let's see. Do we got the chat? Oh, nah, shit. Use QR code. If you're not tapping, you must be napping. Damn, waking us up, James. You know I could wake up. Chemo. Oh, damn, man. Hey, hopefully, man. Yeah, I heard my buddy, he's going through the same thing. And, man, he was like on his 6 or 7 treatment. And it was, he said, man, it definitely makes you question life, if you will. It definitely ain't easy. It ain't easy. Let's see here. Let me finish setting this up here right quick. All right, we got that. Did the damn thing. Different what? No, it's the same one. I just haven't put on the screen yet. In due time, though. In due time. Be right, be James. Baby woke up. Ah, damn it. I wanted Abuelita to wake up, not the baby. Let me see. It's no bueno. Till the baby go back to sleep. You woke up the baby. Dang, I feel bad now. Hot Mex Express. Hold on. Let me bring down the screen so we could go ahead and take a look at this the right way. All right, there we go. It's much better now. Got a much better picture now, nice and clear. All right, so we can see. Hey, Tita, thank you for sharing. Hey, Lexi, how's it going? Oh, I got to turn on my light. So you guys can...
What's your last name?
Oh, that's me. Are you not Hayes? Come on, we're right here. We're calling your name. You're Hayes, right? That's your last name? Come on.
All right.
All rise. What's up, Danny? All rise. Hell yeah. Hear ye. Oh, no, is it the whistler?
You can be seated. Okay, this is the 11 p.m. initial appearance docket. We're going to call you in here individually and tell you why you're here. When you come into the room, There's a lectern in the center of the room. Stand behind that. Give me your full name, date of birth. I'll be giving you important information you need to take with you. You don't have to try to memorize what I tell you, because before you leave the area, you'll receive a printed copy of a document that contains all the information you need concerning your case to take with you. If you're someone who's here on a probation violation matter that'll be heard in Maricopa County Superior Court, Public Defender's Office is appointed to represent you at this time, so you'll have counsel at your next court appearance. If you're someone who is released, you need to make sure that you read carefully the release order and comply with all of its conditions. For example, if the conditions include not returning to the scene of the alleged crime or having contact with alleged victims or witnesses, and you violate those conditions and you're taken into custody for that reason, you will not be released from custody easily again. All right, we will start with Gordon Sullivan, and then it'll be Robbie Hayes.
We got the breather, guys. We got the breather.
Full name, date of birth?
Gordon Sullivan, 7/11/57.
All right, Mr. Sullivan, you're on felony probation in Maricopa County. There was a non-witness violation hearing set on January 7th. When you didn't show up, they issued a warrant for your arrest with a $50 cash-only bond. Your next court date in that matter will be March 14th at 8:30 in Superior Court in downtown Phoenix. And the reason we have you here tonight is because you were arrested earlier today and charged with possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. I appoint the Public Defender's Office to represent you. A $250 bond is set on the new charge. Next court date, March 13th at 8:30 in Superior Court in downtown Phoenix. And where will they pick up the order, officer? Where do they get the orders? On the way, you got them right there? Okay, as you walk back to that room, she'll hand you the order in your case. Robbie Hayes, and then after that will be Sarah Mahdi.
All right, all right. What do you guys think the next individual is going to be in here for? Toasty! Can I get a toasty? And for those of you that know, you know. Why is James saying toasty?
Full name, date of birth, Mr. Hayes.
April 10/81.
And your full name.
Robbie Hayes.
All right, Mr. Hayes, you're on felony probation here in Maricopa County. They contend you violated conditions of probation. And on February 18th, the warrant for your arrest was issued with a $250 bond. Your next court date now will be your revocation arraignment hearing, Superior Court, downtown Phoenix, March 14th at 8:30, and your order's right over there. Just step over there and they'll hand it
Thank
to
you,
you.
Ross. Highly appreciate that.
Sarah Nurmandi.
Come again. Can you repeat her last name again, Your Honor? Wah. That's right. The judge get
Full name, date of birth, please.
Sarah Nurmandi, April 2nd, 1988.
All right, ma'am. You were arrested earlier today, charged with the following offenses, one count each. Threatening and intimidating and damaging property, a Class 6 felony. Possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony. Possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 6 felony. Criminal trespass of a residential yard, a Class 1 misdemeanor, and another criminal trespass of a yard by looking in over the wall, I guess, a misdemeanor. The Public Defender's Office is appointed to represent you. A $3,500 secured appearance bond is set in your case. Your conditions of release are, if you are released, you're not to go back to the location where this is alleged to have occurred or have contact with victims and witnesses. And I'm going to amend this to include that. Your next court date will be in Superior Court, downtown Phoenix, on this matter on March 13th at 8:30. You're on felony probation in Maricopa County, and this constitutes a Term 1 violation that you were arrested for earlier today. Your probation officers requested a hold be placed on you. A $500 secured appearance bond is set on the probation violation matter. Your next court date in that matter will be your revocation arraignment hearing, Superior Court, downtown Phoenix, March 14th at 8:30 also, and your order is right over there. Ma'am, your order is right over there where you came through the door. Alfredo Gonzalez, and then it'll be Andre White.
Next! On the price is wrong.
Full name, date of birth?
Alfredo Gonzalez, 10801.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, you are here because of a warrant that was issued in Goodyear Municipal Court when it's alleged that you committed the offense of criminal littering, a misdemeanor.
You litter bug, you. How dare you?
And you didn't show up when you were supposed to on August 29th of 2022. They issued a warrant for your arrest with a $2,500 bond. I've reduced that to $50. $50. Your next court date will be March 12th at 8:30, Goodyear Municipal Court. If you post the bond, which I'm sure you probably can, get up, make sure you show them that date, all right? Mm-hmm. There you go. The order's right over there. Andre White, and then it'll be John Madugjian.
Hey, you know what? Hey, look, such a small case.
Full name, date of birth.
And now he's on TikTok.
11/13/94.
Right, Mr. White, you were arrested earlier today, charged with shoplifting, a Class 1 misdemeanor. If you're entitled to have an attorney appointed to represent you, that will be at your next court appearance. I'm going to release you on your own recognizance to appear in Superior Court, downtown Phoenix, March 26th at 8:30. Conditions of your release include not returning to the location where this is alleged to have occurred or having contact with victims or witnesses, all right?
Yes, sir.
The order's right over there.
Hey, remember, people, don't litter and don't
John
do a
Mnuchin,
failure.
and then it'll be Christopher Valero.
Don't do a failure to appear, because if not, you end up here. No bueno.
Full name, date of birth.
John Mnuchin, 8/21/88.
All right, you, sir, were arrested earlier today and charged with the following offense.
Thank you.
Carrying a deadly weapon and not correctly telling law enforcement that in fact you had it. You denied that you had a deadly weapon. Under Arizona law, when law enforcement asks you if you have any deadly weapons, it's an offense, a criminal offense, in this case a misdemeanor, to not tell the truth. I'm going to release you on your own recognizance to appear in Superior Court, Arrowhead Justice Court on March 25th at 2 p.m. Okay, your order's right over there.
Hey, what should we label this judge here? The
Christopher
breather?
Valero.
That was looking like the airbender, the last airbender, if you will. Jen, right, you could
Full name, date of birth.
Christopher Valero, 2/25/1993.
All right, apparently you're on felony probation in Yuma County. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, and they contend you violated conditions of probation, and on May 10th of last year, a warrant for your arrest was issued. It's a no-bond warrant. So you'll be held without bond until your next court appearance, which will be in Yuma County Superior Court, March 12th at 8:30. The Yuma County Sheriff's Office will pick you up in time to make it. Okay, your order's right over there.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Cornetta Thomas, and then it'll be Andre Jones.
Luke, I am your father. Up next on The Price is Wrong. Let's see what it is. How is everybody doing tonight? I'm feeling mighty
Full
good.
name, date of birth, please.
Cornetta Thomas, 02-1702.
All right, Ms. Thomas, you are here on a fugitive warrant when you failed to appear on robbery charges. This warrant was issued on March 8th of this year. Did you say something? Oh, okay. The bond was a no bond warrant. You have choices to make on this case if you want to make them tonight. They are not good choices. On a fugitive warrant, it basically boils down to you can decide you don't want to waive extradition, you want to fight this, and the state and the requesting state and Arizona have up to 90 days to complete proceedings, or you can waive extradition and you'll be held without bond also until you're picked up by the requesting state. They have 30 days, day one being tomorrow, to pick you up. If they haven't picked you up by the 30th day, we will release you, but the warrant will still be out there. Do you understand?
Okay, I have a question. So today,
Sure.
Today is the 8th, right?
Can you what?
The warrant was issued today, you said?
It was according, March 8th. Let me go back and look. When they...
He's going to get flustered.
According to...
He's going to get flustered.
I just have an abstract. They don't have a copy of the actual warrant. It shows that the date of the warrant was March 8th of 2025. Yeah, today. So, you said you want to waive extradition?
No, I want to do it. I want to...
Okay, all right, then you don't want to waive extradition. Did you read the paperwork we gave you? Do you have any questions?
Hell
okay,
no.
You don't want to waive extradition, and you'll have another hearing.
No, I want to waive, I want to sign to go back home.
You want to go back? Or to,
Yeah.
to which state was it?
Texarkana.
Where was it?
Texas.
Texas. TX.
Texas.
Tejas.
Okay.
Come on.
All right.
This guy's irritating.
Let me ask you a couple of questions. You realize you're not entitled to have an attorney appointed to represent you because this is a civil matter, but you can retain your own attorney if you so choose. Is that, you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Yes? You have
Yes,
to
sir.
answer audibly.
Yes, sir.
All right. You have, if you choose to fight this, the states of Arizona and Texas have up to 90 days to complete extradition proceedings, but the only things that they have to prove is, number one, there's a valid warrant. Number two, you're the person named in the warrant. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And has anybody talked to you about anything to do with this case and threatened you to waive extradition?
No, sir.
Okay, has anybody promised you anything we haven't talked about to have you waive extradition?
No, sir.
All right, you understand that I'm going to find, based upon what you told me, that this is a knowing, intelligent, and voluntary waiver, correct?
Yes, sir.
And there's no reason that you believe that isn't true? You agree with that?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll find that it is a knowing, intelligent, and voluntary waiver. And the state of Texas has 30 days within which to pick you up, day one being tomorrow. We need to have you come over and sign the waiver.
Hey, you know what? This guy, he's worse than me. Than when my wife is talking to me, I'm not paying attention. He's not catching any of it. He's not retaining any single word. She's telling him that she wants to sign, that she wants to go to Texas, and he don't understand. Now he's whistling. Like relax, buddy. All that whistling, save that for the beach or when you're taking long strolls on the park. We don't want none of that. We just want, hey, Laura, thank you. Highly appreciate that. Hey, and if you haven't done so, please do so. Hit that follow button. It's free 99. Doesn't cost you a red cent. Don't be a Krabby Patty. Don't be a Scrooge McDuck. Don't be that person. Hit that follow. Let's get the big account to 20,000. Let's get the small account up to 5,000, and let's get YouTube up to 6,000 if you will. Can I get a flush? Can I get an agua? Drop one, flush one. Hey, thank you. Highly appreciate that, LaRae. Appreciate that. Be like LaRae. It's free 99. And if you're not tapping, you must be napping. Gifts are not required. Agua, but highly appreciated. Hey, what's up, little mama Bruja? Where you been at? You know what I'm saying? Let me see right here. Frank Trevor, I like
have to see
like
the
his
signature.
picture.
That's what we're doing.
The
It's not
unsolved
coming through, I
mystery
guess.
judge.
Is it coming through?
No. You tried it.
Court and prison is one big waiting for lazy people. Hey, that's true right there. If you don't got patience, don't bother ever getting arrested because it's just you're just gonna be waiting from one tag to another, and it's just you're gonna be miserable. And not only that, don't get me started on the smells of these damn court tanks, patas, nalgas, and oh man, throw up. Oh, it's something ugly. If anybody's eating right now, just stop eating because you're about to throw up if I keep on going. All right. 20 Moonstones laughing. I'm on a good one. I've been here and watching from YouTube too. Hey, I'm telling you guys, it's no fun. It's not as fun as this TikTok and YouTube stream makes it out to be. You don't want to be there. You put your life in other people's hands, and those people, they don't care about you. You got a headache, they're gonna give you ibuprofen, 400, maybe if you're lucky at 800. Your appendix is about to burst. They're gonna give you, guess what? Yes, you guessed it. They're gonna give you ibuprofen 400, 800. You got cancer. They're gonna give you ibuprofen 800 daily, like clockwork. You got your eyes jacked up. You got an infection in your eye. You're gonna get an ibuprofen, and so on and so forth. Hopefully, you guys are grasping what I'm trying to put right here. You guys are picking up what I'm putting down. Let me see, especially if you're in the federal. If you're in the federal, they're constantly moving from county to camp and from camp to county. Yeah, they're gonna definitely give you that diesel therapy. Hey, and don't even get me started if you end up in Oklahoma and they fly you across the country. And not only that, you think you're gonna go somewhere, you could end up back in Oklahoma. You've been traveling for the last 24 hours, and you think you're gonna end up somewhere, and you end up back in Oklahoma. Like, wait, what? Like this is like straight 51st dates. You know, they just needed to move you so they could move some people around, and they really didn't need to move you, if you will. And you might not believe me, but hey, it's real. I've never done it before. Like I said, I've never been to prison, but hey, I got a few of my boys, and they be telling me these stories. I'm like, what? Really? They did that to you? Shit, that's scandalous. That's bien gacho. What were his charges? I don't even know. I wasn't paying attention. Let me see. Judge knows is really messing with me, laughing out loud. Bro needs to have an oxygen tank at this point. Hey, that's gonna be Bane right there. Man, he probably has the Bane mask on right now. Let me see. Let me see. The move you from for no reason and other than to make to make some money. Yup. Straight up. You're just a body moving. They're making all you are is a money bag. That's all you are. That's all they see right there. You're not a person. You're not a human. You have no feelings. You're just a stack of cash that they're making. They're making their money off of you. Got that the oxygen mask on. Let me see right here. Let me see. Court in prison is one big rating room for lazy persons. Laughing out loud. Danny Rice. They don't even let you plead right away. Throw your whole life away if you think about it. Let me see.
All right.
Same with doctors, just want your money every chance. Yup. She did a robbery. Damn it.
There you go.
Yeah, the record should reflect that I've looked at her signature on the order.
Hey, did anybody see that video that I clipped of that guy that went to his parole board hearing in Utah, and he was arguing with the parole board member, and then the board member started going off on him? That was, I think, I want to say on Thursday. The whole system just wants money. We ain't human to no one. Laughing out loud.
Okay,
100%.
Andre Jones.
Yup, I saw that.
Full name, date of birth?
Andre Jones, January 18, 1992.
All right, Mr. Jones, you are here on a fugitive warrant that was issued out of the state of Texas also. This warrant was issued on February 28th. It's a no-bond warrant. Apparently the underlying charge was a form of robbery, according to the information that I have.
He said the charge is what, Your Honor?
Robbery?
Aggravated robbery?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I said a form of robbery, aggravated robbery, I guess is what it was. And you heard, I don't know, did you hear what we just did in the last case?
Yes, sir.
Were you listening? Okay, did you get the paperwork that we gave you to read?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any questions about it?
Nah, I want to go ahead and sign it, do what I need to
Okay,
do.
well, okay, you don't have any questions, you understood it? What was in the paperwork that you read, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, has anybody threatened you in any way to get you to waive extradition or promised you anything that we haven't talked about?
No, sir.
All right, you realize that you're not entitled to have an attorney appointed to represent you, but you can hire your own attorney and oppose this extradition proceeding. You understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you realize that the only thing the state of Texas and the state of Arizona has to prove to extradite you if you wanted to oppose it is that, number one, there's a valid warrant, and number two, you're the person named in the warrant. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. I find it's a no. You have any questions about anything? That no?
I don't.
Okay.
Hey.
I find it's a knowing, intelligent, and voluntary waiver, and I accept it. Let me sign the order.
Hey, this
here.
is the modern day
And
Bonnie and Clyde.
by the way, we didn't talk about the time limits. You'll be held without bond up to 30 days, day one being tomorrow until Texas picks you up. If they haven't picked you up on day 31, you're going to be released, but the warrant will still be out there. You
Texas is gonna
understand
pick
that?
him up.
Yes,
they're
sir.
not
All
gonna
right.
let it ride. Hell no, no way. Texas, they
That
want
rarely happens with Texas.
they want them to pay paid in
right.
full. Like he said, the judge just said it right now. It rarely happens, so forget about it.
Can I ask, do you know how often Texas normally come and...
What's that?
Do you know how often Texas normally come and get people from up there?
I don't. They have up to 30 days, day one being tomorrow. If they haven't picked you up on day 31, you'll be released by us. But that doesn't happen very often from Texas, okay?
Hey, you know what? But hey, I will tell you this much: I'd rather have this judge than that other judge from Piedmont County. That fool's slow. That fool's slow as molasses. He's like a freaking sloth. That's how fast he moves. He's like, shoo. I think a turtle's faster than him. OMG. OMG. All right. Let me see, Aaron. I feel like this judge talks so slow too. Like, get to the point. OMG, I have to watch that video. That seems crazy. Yup. That was from Utah. I clipped it. I clipped it on, I think I put it on my main account, I want to say, on TT, and it's on YT too, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, no, not the Whistler. Yup. Also known as the Unsolved Mystery Judge. The other judge is painful to watch. Hell yeah. Hey, when you're not tapping, you must be napping. What's up? Let's get up to 20K. So we'll get to the
record,
FYP.
the waiver has been signed by Mr. Jones, and I've seen his
Mr.
waiver,
Mr. Jones.
his signature on the waiver. Good luck. All right, here we are. I've got some house calls here. Where am I?
Is this it already? Nah.
Yes.
It can't be. It's really 10:26.
Samuel Whiteman is here because he's on felony probation here in Maricopa County. A warrant for his arrest was issued on February 27th. It was a no bond warrant. Mr. Whiteman will be held without bond until his revocation arraignment hearing in Superior Court in downtown Phoenix on March 12th at 8:30. Bryce Lohler has two matters. He's actually on felony probation on two separate felony convictions here in Maricopa County, and in each case, a warrant for his arrest was issued. No bond warrants, so he'll be held without bond until his next court appearance, the revocation arraignment hearing in downtown Phoenix, March 14th at 8:30. All right, let me get this going here.
All that whistling, he needs to knock it off. We might have to put a complaint into wherever you put complaints for judges. Did he just cut us off already? He didn't even say goodbye or nothing. This fool, what's up with this vato, man? Shh. Finally, a crazy one who isn't let go. Laughing out loud. Hey, my people. Hey, I appreciate you guys. All right. If you haven't done so, please do so. Hit that follow button. It's free 99. And if you haven't done so either, check us out on YT. If you want to play back the videos, that's where all these videos are archived at CollectCallFrom on YT. And my phone is ringing. All right, guys. Hey, I appreciate you guys. Let me see. Hold up. Let me pick up the phone. Hold up. Who's calling right now? Who's calling the prison phone right now? Let me see. Come on. Pop up on my screen. There we go. All right. They hung up. Anyhow, hey, we're going to go ahead and call it a night tonight. Really appreciate you guys. We'll be back tomorrow. Same time, same bat channel. You know what it is. First stream is going to be at 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. But for that one, I'll be sleeping. That one I'm not going to be part of. I'll be on at later on in the day, if you will. All right. If you want to catch the 4 a.m. one, jump on YouTube. It'll be on automatic mode, if you will. Anyhow, hey, I am Collect Call James. You are watching. You have a Collect Call From. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it lights out. And with that, we're out. Rato y buenas noches. Have a good weekend. Well, the weekend's over. Good luck going back to work on Monday. But enjoy the day. All right, YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down, and I'll go ahead and I'll set up the 401 later on, or the 4 a.m. one later on. All right. Talk to you guys later.